Look at that glow in the dark slime. Spooky for Halloween, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Hello everyone, this is Anne and my daughter Angeli, two little Frenchies in Big Texas. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make slime, and not whatever slime. We're gonna make a slime that glows
in the dark.
in the dark. A slime that glows in the dark. So yesterday we were visiting NASA. They had activities for the kids and they showed us how to do it. So we're gonna make it at home here. And if you want to see the professionals doing it, this will be at the end of the video. But first, what do you need? Because you don't need much. Let me lower you down so that you get to see what we have here. So, what we do have is that magic Elmer glow in the dark. You can find it at Walmart. That's where I found it. It's a rather small one and pretty expensive at Walmart. There's a much better deal on Amazon. If you want to make bigger quantity of slime, I would recommend you getting it on Amazon. You've got like 8 times as much quantity for twice the price only. So I will put the link in the description below. You're gonna need some contact lens solution and baking soda. And that is pretty much it.
And we got
a little bowl to mix, of course, and some measuring cups. So
these are the measuring cups.
these are the measuring cups. All right.
This is for the Elmer's glue.
Okay, let's get started. So, in our bowl here, we are going to put 2 tablespoons of this glue. And she's gonna use here, we got a stick to push it off. All right?
Hilarious.
So, 1. All right, that's your job.
Okay. I think we'll need 3 tablespoons.
We use the
Mom.
blue bowl for the blue glue. Okay, let me put some more. A 2nd tablespoon.
For a lot.
That's a lot. All right, that is it. 2 tablespoons of the Elmer's glow in the dark glue. Together with that, we're gonna use 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. So let mommy put it here. Hey, that's me here for the baking soda. And the same 1/4 teaspoon of the contact lens solution. So nobody has lenses at home, so I bought it just for the slime. Let's see. Yes. Okay. And now the job is to mix it, and mix it well. Show people how do you mix it. She needs to mix it well. Okay, don't put it on the thing here. We mix, we mix, we mix. We need to incorporate all these things together. So you mix until pretty much you get your slime here. As you can see, mix, 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 mix. It becomes a bit too sticky and not mixing good. You can add a tiny bit of the lens solution, which is what I'm gonna do here, a tiny bit more. Okay, here we go. Come on.
That's better.
That's better.
Everything's sticking onto here.
Everything is sticking here.
Yeah, literally everything.
Hold on.
Maybe I slide it off with my fingers.
Maybe we're already ready for the slime. Let me try. I think we might have already got some slime texture here.
Hey, let me
Oops,
have
I've
it.
got it on my...
Hey, let me have it.
Yeah, I don't know. Do we? It's definitely nicer to do it at NASA. I don't like to have this gluey sting. Is it good or not, Angie?
Can you see me?
Yeah, it's too
Sticky.
it's too sticky. Yeah, what did we do wrong? Too sticky. What do we need? I think we need to mix it. No, it's okay. It goes away. Actually, this is good. Look, this is it. Yeah, you just need, but that's it. You just had to mix it. See, let's remove the stick here. See See, it's all going away. You've got your slime. That is it, girl. That is your slime. Look at it. Just like what they did at NASA yesterday. So once we have it, best way to store it is you're gonna take a Ziploc bag, put it in your Ziploc bag, hold on, and how do you make it glow in the dark? That's the big question, right? Let me put you up here. So how do you make it glow in the dark? At NASA, they had a really cool UV light, which we don't have here. So we're just gonna put it in the sun. Where here is your wonderful slime.
And this is the one from NASA.
And that is, my daughter's one from NASA from yesterday. Yeah.
The comparisons.
The comparison, well, it's about the same. That one is a bit more colorful. We need to put it in the sun, I think, and check whether it glows in the dark, right? There you go. Now you know how to do slime that glows in the dark. Wow, look at this slime here. The girls went to the bathroom in the dark. Look at this. Isn't it spooky?
Yeah.
Halloween spooky, right? Oh yeah. Oh, wow. Is it satisfying?
Yeah.
Very, no? Wow. Show me yours. So that one is a day later. They're both looking really good. We just need to put them a bit more in the sun, I think. Right?
So we have 1 tablespoon, and you can use this to scoop it out. And use this to scoop it out. Thank you. Let me get a second scoop. There you go. Get some more. Get it in there. I'm gonna get all the glue out from there. Okay, and then we're gonna add 1/4 of baking soda. And then this next one is going to be our solution. We're gonna add this in here.
Is it water?
No, it's eye contact solution.
Oh, eye contact. Okay.
And you'll mix it, and then it'll come into like a gum consistency, and that's when you're halfway done. So you just gotta keep incorporating it together. We gotta make sure that we're scooping on the sides. Because then we'll start, you see how it's starting to look like chewing gum? It kind of sticks to all the sides. If you want, I can hold your bowl so you can get a good grip in there. There you go. Don't want to do it on her shirt.
Hi.
Material is called phosphors. So what you have to do is anytime you have anything that's glow in the dark, it is charged by things like UV light. So there's UV light in the sun outside. So anytime you notice your slime kind of looking dim, you just got to take it outside and let it charge up. But for while we're in here, we have a UV flashlight.
Oh, wow.
That will initially charge you up to make sure that it glows in the dark.
That's a glow in the dark slime.
Yep. There you go.
Look at that. Isn't it cool? Same for yours here, huh? Let's charge it up.
If you don't want to, but over here is covering
Ooh, that's a glow.
mock-up dark room, and basically what's going to happen
Pretty right.
is Lou is going to show with this flashlight if your black hole is
Yeah, that's your slime.
light